This is the 85% win rate trading strategy for Bitcoin. Look here, 85% win rate. Profit factor 28.5, meaning for every dollar lost, it made $28. 42% is the max equity drawdown, even considering it's set to deploy 100% its capital every single time. And with these settings, the total P&L is 1,241,000%. Only 34 trades, but this goes for the whole history of Bitcoin. And it's going to give a signal today, and that signal is either going to be a buy or a sell, and that signal is going to occur in about 2 hours. Now, if you want that signal live, you're going to have to go to the Discord, where I'm going to post whether it's a buy or a sell so you can see. And the key level here is if price closes beyond this high, it's going to be a buy. If price closes below, it's going to be a sell. Now, there's different ways to trade MTP, which is our trend following system. And the truth is, even if I close, I'm going to have Bitcoin long exposure in other accounts. So, yeah. This one is set up to have a really high win rate, to spend very little time in the market, right? A lot of the time it's doing nothing. It's not in the market a lot of the time. And it's set to win most of the time. And since you can win most of the time, you can risk massively huge when it does. And then just take your capital and roll it into other investments. Now, that said, even if it fails here and it ends up giving a sell signal, it would still buy if price just went a little bit higher. It would end up buying a new all-time high. So it would get right back in if price went higher. And yeah, so I like this system. It's one of really now a bunch of systems that I'm trading. And I did take it live. I can show you. Let me show you just so you know I'm not bullshitting you. Here, I'll show you. You can see I took this position not so long ago. It's showing about a $6,000 profit, 400% ROI. So my margin is only $1,400, although I was prepared to risk like $12,000. So this thing doesn't really always have the best risk reward. Sometimes it does, but it's more of a high win rate strategy where you can risk a huge sum of money and almost always win. Not always, but usually. So again, there's going to be a link down below to the Discord. You go check it out, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, appreciate y'all. Much love. Peace.